Hey guys, and today I'm finally back with my Wonder Woman 1984 nails, and I must have painted these all the way back in July, but I kept putting off posting it because of Corona. The movie kept getting pushed back, but finally it has been released and people have seen it. Although where I live in the UK, we've been downgraded to tier 4, meaning nothing's opened. Great. So I won't be able to see it for at least a few more weeks, but let me know if you have seen it though. So for the nails, I was totally inspired by this poster, and I was obsessed with the rainbow holographic laser effect behind Wonder Woman, and I knew I had to try and recreate it. So to create this, I started off with painting my nails with 2 coats of a silver hollow, and this is OMG from China Glaze, and it used to be my favourite silver hollow. And after that, I applied a layer of gel foil glue, and I popped that in my lamp to cure. And I must admit that this foil glue has changed my foil game. It's gotten so much better, there's not as much patchiness. Now with a linear silver hollow foil, I placed it on my nail. And then with a powder applicator, I rubbed the foil to transfer it to my nail. You can see if the foil was transferred or not, just by lifting up the foil a little bit. And once you're happy, you just peel off the foil sheet and share your hollow goodness. And I loved how the foil itself created the laser effect. And to protect the foil, I applied a layer of no wipe gel top coat. And you don't want to use normal top coat, otherwise it will just eat up your foil. So now we're going to create the rainbow effect. So I started off with applying some liquid latex around my cuticles. And then with a red, yellow, blue and purple jelly polish from Essie Glaze collection, I put little dots in a row on my nail art mat. And then taking a fan brush, I dipped it into the colours and blended them slightly together. And then I just took that brush and I just glided it across my nail. And I kept repeating this until I achieved the effect that I wanted. And I absolutely loved this when they were finished. I kind of wanted to leave them just like this without any freehand. So then I removed the liquid latex, and to seal in that gorgeousness, I applied a layer of glossy top coat. Although if you were going to wear these, I'd suggest another layer of gel top coat, because you shouldn't really mix normal and gel polish if you're going to wear them. But oh well, they look cool. So after waiting 20 minutes for the top coat to seal, it was time to paint the Wonder Woman logo. And with the skinniest of detail brushes I own and a black acrylic paint, I painted the outline of the W logo. And because of the glossy top coat I applied earlier, I could use a toothpick afterwards to thin out the lines. And once I was happy with the outline, I then filled in the logo with a gold polish. And then once that had dried, I applied another layer of glossy top coat and waited another 20 minutes. And the reason I did this is because I'm terrible at freehand, so when I apply the top coat now, it stops me from ruining my whole manicure. And I tried doing this on camera, but doing freehand is hard enough as it is, let alone trying to do it in front of a camera. So moving on, I painted my ring finger. I used a black acrylic paint and I simply painted the words 84. Letters, numbers, and then I went on top of that with a gold polish, trying to keep some of the black outline from the underlayer. And then once that had dried, I went in with 2 little dots for the 8. And to seal in all of this, I went in with one last layer of glossy top coat. And yes, this man was quite thick once I finished. And there you go, my Wonder Woman 1984 nails. And finally they are on the internet for all to see. And they are not hidden on my hard drive anymore. And I'm over the moon with the way these came out, I'm so happy. And the way the laser rainbow effect come out is really cool. And I'm actually quite impressed with the fact that I managed to paint the Wonder Woman logo as well. If you like these, give this video a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe would be good. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!